HOTH stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to break down all of it in this very brief and short 1-minute video. I am the only person in this space with 41,000 videos made like this. It's taken me 5 years, but at least I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Ultimately, HTH for me, just like a decent ticker that I'm looking to double down and buy on. I was hoping, to get that last buy-in here, but my confirmation never got met, and you can see we just kind of kept crashing. 21% correction is a lot. I'm not saying it's a little. And we broke through a very, very important low. And all I can tell you is that the only thing that will make me buy this is a proper break above 126. And if I don't see that sort of stuff going on happening, then I'm not going to look to buy. That's it, very simple. So that's where we're sitting at. It's my confirmation. And if no rules are met, then why? Now, this is a pretty big discrepancy, so I'm not just going to randomly buy, So if you want to learn how to make it 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.